तुम कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? मैं कल आया था. I came yesterday. I came yesterday. मैं यहाँ पहली बार आया हूँ. I came here for the first time. I came here for the first time. तुम कब जाओगे? When will you go? When will you go? मैं कल जाऊँगा. I will go tomorrow. I will go tomorrow. तुम कब वापस आए थे? When did you come back? When did you come back? मैं पिछले हफ्ते लौटा हूँ. I came back last week. I came back last week. तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? मैं 1 घंटे के अंदर लौट आऊँगा. I'll be back in an hour. I'll be back in an hour. अब कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? मैं ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to the office. I'm going to the office. क्या आज तुम्हारी छुट्टी है? Are you on leave today? Are you on leave today? हाँ, आज मेरी छुट्टी है. Yes, today is my holiday. Yes, today is my holiday. हाँ, मैं रोज जाता हूँ. Yes, I go every day. Yes, I go every day. तुम इतनी देर क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you so late? Why are you so late? मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था. I was stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic. क्या तुमने लंच किया? Did you have lunch? Did you have lunch? मैंने दोपहर में चावल खाए थे. I ate rice at noon. I ate rice at noon. मैं थोड़ी देर बाद खाऊंगा. I'll eat a bit later. I'll eat a bit later. अब शाम हो गई है. It's evening now. It's evening now. आसमान में बादल हैं. There are clouds in the sky. There are clouds in the sky. शायद बारिश होगी. It might rain. It might rain. मैं छाता ले जाऊंगा. I'll take an umbrella. I'll take an umbrella. मैं कल बाल कटवाऊंगा. I will get a haircut tomorrow. I will get a haircut tomorrow. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा. I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? मैं कुछ सोच रहा हूँ. I'm thinking about something. I'm thinking about something. मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. मैं अपने आप में हूँ. I am on my own. I am on my own. मैं अभी नहीं जा सकता. I can't go now. I can't go now. तुम क्यों मुस्कुरा रहे हो? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? मुझे कुछ मज़ेदार याद आया. I remembered something funny. I remembered something funny. मैंने कुछ फल खरीदे थे. I bought some fruits. I bought some fruits. दाम कैसे थे? How was the price? How was the price? काफी सस्ते थे. It was quite cheap. It was quite cheap. तुम फोन पर इतने व्यस्त क्यों हो? Why are you so busy on the phone? Why are you so busy on the phone? मैं दोस्त से बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm talking to my friend. I'm talking to my friend. तुम्हारा फोन बज रहा है. Your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing. किसी ने गलती से कॉल किया है. Someone called by mistake. Someone called by mistake. चलो थोड़ा बाहर चलते हैं. Let's go out for a while. Let's go out for a while. कहाँ चले? Where shall we go? Where shall we go? चलो पार्क चलते हैं. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. मैं तुमसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. तुम बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. You did great. You did great. ये अविश्वसनीय है. That's unbelievable. That's unbelievable. मुझे पता है तुम सही हो. I know you are right. I know you are right. मैं तुम्हारे काम की सराहना करता हूँ. I appreciate your work. I appreciate your work. तुमने मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है. You have done a lot for me. You have done a lot for me. मैं तुमसे सीखना चाहता हूँ. I want to learn from you. I want to learn from you. ये सीखना मुश्किल नहीं है. It's not hard to learn. It's not hard to learn. मैं अपनी गलतियों से सीखता हूँ. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. चिंता मत करो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry, everything will be fine. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I will do my best. I will do my best. मैं कभी हार नहीं मानता. I never give up. I never give up. कल सुबह फोन करना. Call me tomorrow morning. Call me tomorrow morning. मैं सुबह उठकर तुम्हें कॉल करूंगा. I'll call you when I wake up. I'll call you when I wake up. आज कुछ अच्छा होगा. Something good will happen today. Something good will happen today. क्या तुम थोड़ा समय दे सकते हो? Can you spare some time? Can you spare some time? हाँ, जरूर दे सकता हूँ. Yes, of course I can. Yes, of course I can. बताओ क्या हुआ? Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. मैं थोड़ी परेशानी में हूँ. I am in a bit of trouble. I am in a bit of trouble. तुम मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखते हो. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. मैं इसे कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget it. I will never forget it. मैं तुम्हें कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget you. I will never forget you. हमारी दोस्ती हमेशा रहेगी. Our friendship will last forever. Our friendship will last forever. आज का दिन बहुत बढ़िया था. Today was a wonderful day. Today was a wonderful day. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. See you again. इस पूरे लेसन का PDF आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम और व्हाट्सएप चैनल पर मिल जाएगा, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा.